Top 8 Best Ways to Stop Frequent Urination at Night. Do you often wake up in the middle of the night rushing to the bathroom? If so, you're not alone. Frequent urination at night, also known as nocturia, can be frustrating and disruptive, robbing you of much-needed rest. But the good news is that there are effective ways to tackle this issue and get back to enjoying uninterrupted, peaceful sleep. In this video, we'll explore the top 8 best ways to stop frequent urination at night. Whether this is a minor inconvenience or a more serious issue, these tips will give you practical solutions that really work. So, let's get started. Before jumping into the solutions, let's better understand nocturia. What exactly is it? In simple terms, nocturia refers to frequent urination during the night, where you wake up more than once to relieve yourself. While occasional bathroom trips at night are normal, excessive urination can disrupt your sleep and impact your health over time. But what causes nocturia? Let's break it down. Excess fluid intake before bedtime. Drinking too much liquid in the evening can naturally increase nighttime urination. Bladder irritants. Certain foods and drinks, like caffeinated beverages, alcohol, or spicy foods, can irritate the bladder and increase urinary frequency. Underlying health issues. Conditions such as diabetes, sleep apnea, high blood pressure, kidney issues, or an overactive bladder may contribute to nocturia. Age and hormonal changes. Aging can reduce bladder capacity, while hormonal imbalances may also play a role. Understanding these causes is the first step toward tackling nocturia effectively. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to talk about actionable solutions to help stop those nighttime trips to the bathroom. One of the simplest ways to reduce nighttime urination is to adjust when and how much you drink. Start by spacing out your fluid intake throughout the day rather than loading up on liquids close to bedtime. As a general rule, aim to stop drinking large amounts of water or other beverages at least 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. If you're concerned about staying hydrated, don't worry. You can compensate by drinking more fluids earlier in the day. This way, you're staying healthy without overburdening your bladder during sleep. Managing your fluid intake wisely is a quick and easy change that can make a noticeable difference. Certain foods and beverages can increase bladder activity and make you feel like you need to pee more often. These include caffeine, found in coffee, tea, energy drinks, and chocolate. Caffeine is both a bladder stimulant and diuretic. Alcohol. Alcohol irritates the bladder and increases urine production. Avoiding alcohol a few hours before bed can be very helpful. Spicy or acidic foods. Tomatoes, citrus fruits, spicy dishes, and carbonated drinks can also trigger bladder irritation. To minimize your nighttime bathroom trips, try cutting down on these bladder irritants during the evening. Instead, opt for calming substances like warm herbal tea, caffeine-free, or water if you need to drink something later at night. It's not just liquids that affect your urinary habits. Solid food plays a role too. High-salt diets can lead to water retention during the day, and interestingly, your body might work to get rid of that extra retained fluid at night while you're sleeping. To prevent this, aim to reduce your salt consumption, particularly in the evening hours. Simple changes, like eating fresher, less processed foods, and avoiding salty snacks at night, can create a significant improvement in your nocturia symptoms. Bladder training is another fantastic way to reduce the urge to urinate at night. Strengthening your bladder involves gradually increasing the amount of time you can hold in urine. Here's how it works. During the day, delay urination for a few minutes when you feel the urge. Gradually increase the waiting time over days or weeks, working toward longer time intervals. For better results, incorporate pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegel exercises. These target the muscles that control urination, helping you strengthen overall bladder control. Consistency is key here, so build these exercises into your daily routine for lasting benefits. Your nighttime routine can influence your bladder's activity. Stress and overstimulation, such as too much screen time, late-night snacks, or mental restlessness, may increase the brain's signals to urinate. Creating a soothing bedtime routine could work wonders. Try the following. Wind down with meditation, deep breathing, or light stretches. Set a consistent sleep schedule so your body knows when to relax. Avoid emotional or physical stressors close to bedtime. These steps will help your body and bladder stay in a calm and relaxed state through the night. Sometimes the best solutions come from observing patterns in your habits. Keep a urination diary for a few days to track how often you urinate at night, how much fluid you drink, and what foods you consume. Look for recurring triggers that affect your bladder and adjust accordingly. Additionally, small adjustments in your environment can help. If possible, try sleeping in a position that reduces pressure on your bladder, such as lying on your back. A comfortable sleep setup will also help you stay asleep longer and avoid bathroom disruptions. Since nocturia can often be linked to other health conditions, addressing those issues can significantly reduce nighttime urination. Some of the most common medical conditions related to nocturia include diabetes. High blood sugar can lead to excessive thirst and urination. Managing blood sugar levels can reduce these effects. Sleep apnea. This condition can also contribute to nighttime urination. Treating your sleep apnea with devices like CPAP machines can help. Overactive bladder syndrome. Consult a doctor for medications or therapies to manage this condition if it's a concern. If you suspect a medical condition is behind your symptoms, consult a healthcare professional. Treating the root condition can lessen or even eliminate nocturia altogether. Although most cases of nocturia can be managed with simple lifestyle changes, there are situations where you should seek medical advice. Warning signs include pain during urination, blood in your urine, excessive thirst or drastic changes in urination frequency. These symptoms could indicate more serious problems, such as infections, bladder stones, or even kidney issues. Don't wait to get checked if any of these symptoms occur. Early diagnosis leads to better outcomes. In addition to the 8 solutions above, here are some bonus tips to further enhance your nighttime comfort. Limit screen time. The blue light from phones or tablets can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, leading to poorer quality sleep. Reducing screen exposure before bed will help your body settle into deeper rest. Use alarms for fluid control. If needed, set an earlier reminder to stop drinking fluids as part of your bedtime routine. Small, consistent steps avoid accidental overhydration before sleep. Frequent urination at night might seem like an overwhelming issue, but with these 8 actionable tips, there's no reason it should continue to disrupt your health and happiness. From adjusting your evening habits to addressing underlying conditions, small, consistent changes can make a significant difference. Take control of your nights. Start applying these tips today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, share your experiences in the comments below, and subscribe for more practical health and wellness advice. Here's to a peaceful, uninterrupted night's sleep, free from frequent bathroom trips. Sweet dreams, and take care.